Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by creating a project and choosing a grid layout. This sets composition and export ratio, so pick what fits your platform. Once done, import the photos you want to use. Camera roll, cloud, or drag and drop all work. Make sure to sort images roughly in the order you want them to appear. That saves time during layout. Then lock the canvas size and confirm background color or transparency so subsequent edits remain consistent. Now you refine each cell. Tap to swap images, drag edges to resize, or span a photo across multiple columns for emphasis. While you work, use crop and rotate to tighten composition and adjust exposure and color to match tones across the grid. Once images align, add overlays or captions for context, and group related cells so you can move them together. Grouping preserves relative spacing and speeds repeated adjustments. Remember to zoom in to check details before finalizing. Finish by selecting export settings, resolution, file type, and whether you need bleed or safe zones for print. This determines file size and quality. Preview the full grid carefully, then export to camera roll or share directly to social platforms. If export fails or images look washed out, clear the app cache, reduce resolution slightly, or toggle color profile and retry. If a single cell misaligns, unlink it from the group, fix its position, and regroup before exporting again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.